जबलपुर में जसूजा का नाम किसी परिचय का मोहताज होटल और बिल्डर्स के रूप में निजी क्षेत्र में जबलपुर में बेहतर कार्य करके जल्द ही अपनी अलग पहचान बना ली। हॉस्पिटल, अम्बुला बिल्डर्स और सिग्मा फार्म हाउस के माध्यम से नवीन सोच, बेहतर निर्माण, बेहतर सेवा देकर जबलपुर के जनमानस में अपनी विशिष्ट और एक अलग पहचान इन्होंने बनाई है। 1993 से जसूजा ने जबलपुर में अपने नए व्यवसाय को शुरू कर अपनी नई पहचान बनाने में सफलता हासिल की। आज जबलपुर और आसपास के क्षेत्रों में जसूजा एक ब्रांड नेम बनकर अपनी सफलता को खुद बयां कर रहा है।
Alok Rathi, I am associated with the construction industry since 1993 in Jabalpur and around Jabalpur. Previously, I was working for government departments for civil construction of various types. Recently, I have started private construction activity in Jabalpur. That I have started along with the Jasuja Group of Jackson Hotel. The group is a renowned group in hospitality business, and they are coming up in a big way in realty business in Jabalpur. Actually, they are trying to take the Jabalpur city real estate business at par with the metropolitan cities in Jabalpur. So they have launched various projects. They have got a umbrella brand which they call Sigma. And under Sigma brand, they have launched various projects like Sigma City, Sigma Town, and there will be an upcoming project of Sigma Farms. Presently, I am associated with their project in Sigma City, in Jabalpur City, Jasuja City, which is near Jawali Hotel. There we are developing a road network of around 15 acres land, and we are going to construct some multi-story building there. Recently, we will be launching one of the towers of multi-storied structures, which will be called Jasuja Tower. And after that, I will be taking up their project of Sigma Farms. The Sigma Farms will be coming up on the Mandla Road in Naga Ghati area after Barela. And the land for Sigma Farms is a very beautiful land. It's a natural forest land, and the farms will be coming up in a very, very nice manner. So the way the Jasuja Group is coming up with various projects in Jabalpur city, they will be definitely changing the picture of real estate business in Jabalpur. And I am definitely doing a small bit from my side by associating in their construction activities along with some other very good construction companies which are already working with Jasuja Group. Actually, if we see that Jabalpur is a tier 2 city, and a lot of construction activities in real estate business will be happening in Jabalpur in near future, say within next 5 years to 10 years. And a lot of multinational companies, national companies, they are also looking for better business in Jabalpur. And Jabalpur people will also get some better quality projects in coming years in Jabalpur. There are certain problems which will be definitely overcome by these bigger groups which are coming to Jabalpur, because they will be giving good quality products. Still there are certain builders in Jabalpur which are presently giving good qualities, but by and large, looking to the prices in Jabalpur, the investors and the users, they are not getting the quality which they are normally getting in other cities and bigger cities better than Jabalpur. So our whole endeavor and effort is to bring those quality standards in Jabalpur, for which I am also trying my level best along with Jasuja Group.
AMS TV न्यूज के लिए जबलपुर से गुरजीत की रिपोर्ट।